Hi, my name is Heather Homchick. I'm a pharmacist in Spokane. My question is, how do restaurants plan on keeping their employees and patrons safe from COVID-19 while reopening dine-in services?
I'd like to focus on the aspect of the employees in restaurants. If you can elaborate on that.
Sure. I think we are taking unprecedented steps to make sure that they're safe. We worked with the governor on the phase two guidelines that he and the health departments were comfortable for moving forward with. It's really going to start with employee screening in the back. And so we'll be employing different methods that make sense for different businesses to make sure that we have screened employees to the best anyone can when they come in the building, that they are not symptomatic of COVID-19. Once you get into the building, you're going to see masks among our employees. You're going to see increased hand washing programs. You're going to see hand sanitizer programs. And you're going to see us instituting a lot of 6 foot distancing between tables, guests, other things from there. And you're also going to see people taking additional precautions that you didn't see pre COVID 19, whether it's hand washing every time one comes in and out the floor, or actually wearing gloves in the front of the house, which is not a norm prior. And so restaurants are being creative. I hear of news stories every day of what people are doing to really ensure a safe guest experience. And the good news is we've been, for a lot of restaurants, we've been serving guests throughout this and to go and take out process and been very successful in doing so without any outbreaks. And knock on wood, we're confident that given the training the restaurant employees have to go to get a food worker card, that the training the restaurant managers have to go in a higher level of food safety, and all those practices fit right into defeating COVID-19. We're feeling really well suited to provide a great experience for our house and a great experience for our guests.
So is it the case that all restaurant employees, servers, etc., in phase two will be wearing masks?
Employee mask wearing is a requirement of phase two, and so we will be wearing masks in the facility, and unless they've received some kind of waiver for a reason from their health department, you'll see people wearing masks. And it's been kind of fun to watch people try to find masks that still say hospitality. So everything from things with smiles on them to logos on them to their favorite sports teams. Employees have been asking us, can we make our own masks so we can fit our own styles? And so I think you're going to see a lot of ways to make it feel like you're not coming into a hospital, but you're coming in for great hospitality.
Miss Sunday, can you talk a little bit about what retail businesses are doing as far as employees?
You bet. Similar to Anthony and hospitality, we are requiring screening of employees before they show up for work. Some of that will be self-screening. Retailers will be logging that daily, ensuring that if there is any sign of symptoms that they are not coming into work. So that's a big thing, I think, is ensuring that the employees that are showing up each day are as healthy as possible. And one of the new requirements that is very clear in phase two is the wearing of masks across all retail establishments. As I mentioned with essential retailers, when we first started responding to COVID-19, we saw varying levels of mask wearing, and it wasn't encouraged those first few weeks. And so that has changed, and you will see all employees wearing masks. Certainly sanitation of the environment is number one. Allowing employees to have frequent access to hand washing will be important, but also just having nearby sanitation products is going to be critical, I think, not only for the employee, but the customer that comes in the door.